Leslie here, Run with Craft Scissors. I have a haul from Plannersisterstickers featuring some of their new kit sizes. So this one is sized for the Happy Planner. Now, I don't currently have a vertical Happy Planner, but I definitely could utilize this still in my dashboard planner because I kind of just decorate around anyway. So this one's called September. We've got rain boots. We've got some trees with a deer in front. See the little baby deer? And we got a bear with some leaves, and we've got a bench in front of like a pond or a lake, and then we've got some waterfalls, and then we have like a campground set up over here for September. And then here's the checklist and date dots, so all have been enlarged for the Happy Planner. And here's the headers and glitter headers, so you get both. And then you still get full box checklists. And then here's the bottom washi, which has been sized to fit. And then here's your half boxes, some habit trackers, and a Monday through Sunday sticker for your sidebar, date covers, littles, some deco, and some half boxes. Those also look enlarged, so that's cool. All right, and then this one is also sized for the Happy Planner as well. So this one is called The Office, which is funny. I find it funny. I like The Office. So it has a big like executive office and a corporate copy machine and like a big meeting room and things like that. I'm a teacher, so I don't really work in an office space, but I think it's really nice. I like the colors. Look at all that green. I like the green. And then here's the full box checklist. And here's the bottom washi. And then the Monday through Sunday and half boxes. Look at all that deco. Got these corporate girls. And then we have headers and glitter headers, and then we have our date covers and littles. Okay, so 2 new kits for the Happy Planner, September, and The Office. Then this one was sent to me. She said this one's a Hobonichi size kit, which I did just get a B6 planner, and I think these might actually fit in there. So maybe I'll experiment with those, especially since I'm starting it in July. So here's some washi chunks and some decorative boxes. Here's some washi strips and some little boxes. And then here's some more washi strips and some checklist boxes and then some to-do things. Here's some more checklists. This is what I was mentioning because the one that I got is set up hourly, but if there's a set of hours I don't use that I want to change that box into a checklist box, I definitely can with some stickers. And then here's the deco stickers and date dots. And then these are like cute little maybe date flags. I bet you could put the dates on there. Here is the days of the week, though, if you want the full day of the week, which I think those would work in my new planner. Yeah, I think they would. I think that's about, they're a little bigger. Okay, so that's a little bigger, but I could trim it off. So that would definitely work. I was thinking the little flags I could put in with the little date circles on them. And then there's some boxes down here that are deco with the carnival theme, circus, carnival, whichever. Some corner stickers for deco and some washi, and then some quarter boxes, and then some more deco for corners. See, that would definitely work for this planner. I'm excited. I'm definitely going to use this. Okay, I'm excited for that one for sure. So if you have a Hobonichi or a Happy Planner, the classic Happy Planner, then definitely check out Plannersisterstickers new kits that I just hauled. They did just release a bunch of new releases too. I saw they have like a new 4th of July kit and things like that. So make sure you check them out. They're really affordable and they're on Etsy. You can follow them on Instagram as well. So let me know which kit was your favorite, September, The Office, or the, I keep calling it the Carnival, but I'm sure it has a name. Fun Day. That's what it's called. Fun Day, September, or The Office. Let me know which one is your favorite in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to look in the description box for discount codes for ordering from their shop, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!